right now. You are now tuned in. Pen Crispy. I'm still going.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, CrySTYLE Beauty. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a thing. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a pumpkin spice fall makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up before we get started. Alright, so first I'm going to be starting off with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige and priming my eyelids. And then blending that out with a damp beauty blender. Alright, so for my transition shade, I'm going to be using this NYX orange eyeshadow, and this is called LOL. Alright, so I'm going to be taking my ColourPop palette, and I'm going to be taking Louis and Mischief and putting that on the outer corner. Alright, now I'm going to be taking my ColourPop palette, You Had Me at Hello, and I'm going to be taking this shimmery shade, it's called Candy Graham, and putting that on my lid. I'm going to just use my finger. Alright, so I'm just going to correct around my mouth with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige. Now I'm going to be taking my foundation, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. Alright, so now I'm going to be highlighting with my AO8 concealer, and this is in beige, and then I'm highlighting with the Pro Concealer on top just because this is too bright. And then I'm going to highlight down the center of my face with just the LA Girl Pro. Alright, so going back into my ColourPop palette, I'm going to be taking this, I'm going to take Louis first. And go on my lower lash line. And then for just the outer corner, I'm going to take Mischief. Alright, so I'm going to start contouring with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toast. And then I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation Powder and put it on top, just because I want it darker. Now I'm going to be highlighting with my Wet n Wild highlighter, and this one is called Crown of My Canopy. And then I'm going to add some in my tear duct. Alright, so for my lips, I'm going to create a burnt orange color. Since I don't have one, I'm going to be taking the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick, and this one is called Orange County. And then I'm going to take this brown and mix it, and this one is called Downtown Beauty. I'm going to take take a little bit of this. I'm going to mix it. Hopefully I can get the color I'm looking for. All right. That's all for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.